Imagine the golden Tuscan sun gently warming your face as you leisurely stroll down cobblestone streets, the aroma of fresh-baked bread wafting through the air. Now picture the awe-inspiring ruins of Rome, standing as a testament to the passage of time, willing to be explored at a slow and meditative pace. This is what Italy offers to our seasoned travelers, our seniors with mobility issues, a journey of discovery and beauty, unfettered by the rush and compulsion of time. In a world that is so often caught in the fast lane, Wheels of Time in Italy showcases the slow travel movement and how accessibility in travel can open up an entire nation of wonders to those who prefer or need to savor life's journey at a more measured pace. Each cobblestone, each iconic landmark is but a roll or step away. Italy's splendor seen from the calming pace of slow travel, a voyage of art, history, culinary delight, seen not as passing scenery, but as memorable experiences to be cradled in the heart for years to come. Embrace the freedom of the journey and join the Wheels of Time in Italy.